Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to pin messages on Messenger. So first you just have to launch your Messenger application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now what you're going to do here is to locate that specific conversation or message and then pin that message. So whenever you open that conversation, the very first message that you can see is that pinned message here. So I'm gonna look for a conversation that I want to open, and then here you can scroll and then look for that specific message. And then once you found that message, pretty simple, all you have to do is to long press that one, and then you will see below option, reply, copy, pin, and more. So all you have to do is to click pin. Everyone in the chat can see pin message, click pin. And then when you go out or tap this back arrow, and open your message again, then this pinned message is the very first message that you can read. This one is also applicable if you have your group chat. It's the same procedure. You just have to long press the message and then tap the pin option. As easy as that. So you have to make sure first that you're using the latest version of Messenger before doing this. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.